Hello everyone, my name is Alay Sultan and I'm introducing you to an introduction to my teaching site for parents, administrators, and students created at Touro College in EDSN 640 assessment course, taught by Dr. Stein. So on my site, I'm going to walk you through my tabs here. So I have, like I've mentioned before in my introduction video about assessment. So I'm going to be talking about the different tabs, the different topics you can see under each tab. So this is special education, organization, we have the assessment, we have also the different types of assessment, the assessment statistics at TPA, textbook key points from the textbook classroom for learning, classroom for learning assessment. And now, so basically I just want to again touch base on assessment statistics. So this video is about assessment statistics and when we could use it. So part of the assessment for education for learning or assessment in the classroom is also using that data and understanding what that data means. So I've compiled following information and videos about teaching assessments, assessment statistics to share with students, teachers, and parents. So down here you can see important concepts in educational statistics. I have quick links, and this is again Dr. Stein's colleague, Dr. Kelly, and he has more information about statistics and bell curves. This is another video about watch probability and the normal curve. So I'm just going to talk to you about what I have, my videos below for understanding and calculating educational statistic concepts. So we have the normal distribution bell curve, which is basically shaped like a bell. You have all your data points arranged in a bell type manner, but on the sides you have your standard deviation. And for more information on that, you can go to the normal distribution bell curve. Then you have the standard deviation, which basically is the formula given here and how to use it. Finding the mean, the range, the mode. We already know what x bar means. That's the range. That's average. And then n minus 1, well, it's the number of the data points you have, minus 1, so you can find the standard deviation. And now for down here, we have a central tendency, mean, median, and mode. So basically the average is when you're adding all the data points and you divide them by the total number. And then, of course, everyone loves Khan Academy. Very informative about statistics introduction. If you still feel like these videos weren't helpful enough, Khan Academy gives a great overview of the average for statistics, the average. All right, so thank you so much for coming to my page and hope this video is helpful.